In this video, we're going to talk about 6 powerful artificial intelligence softwares that are transforming the way people are creating videos and which you can use to earn over $6,000 monthly. There's no doubt that video editing is a powerful way to make money online. However, making videos can be costly and take up a lot of time, especially if you are a beginner and don't have the right tools. That's where AI-based video tools come in. These amazing bots can help you create videos quickly and easily without spending a fortune. Aside from that, they have a variety of options and features to help you customize your videos according to your needs. With that said, by using the right AI-based video tool, making money with video editing is easier than ever. So check out the bots I'm about to show you and implement the one that resonates with you the most to start making money online today. Video editing has come a long way since the days of editing on your laptop with Adobe softwares. Nowadays, you can create professional-looking videos quickly and easily with AI-based video tools. These are the latest buzzword in video editing, and they're here to help you make money with video editing faster than ever before. Some of them can even be used right in your web browser or mobile phone. These bots are changing the game when it comes to creating engaging content for your online business, and they can help you reach a wider audience with less work. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, with the increasing popularity of visual media, it's no wonder that the demand for video editors is growing at a pace of 12% per year. With millions of online video channels, people are clearly turning to visuals more and more to consume information. With video editing, you can build multiple streams of income by building a YouTube channel, editing wedding videos, creating promotional videos for companies, publishing tutorials, or even selling your services as a freelancer in general. When you go to a freelancing site like Fiverr and look for video editing, you'll come across quite a few services like these. These people are making a living by providing video editing services to their clients. This is a perfect example right here. I will edit your videos with high quality and quickly. This person is a top-rated seller who has served more than 1,000 customers already, including Johnson & Johnson and Asino. This gig offers the services for $80 per 1 minute of running time. So let's say your client wants a 5-minute video edited, that's already $400, all in a single gig. To put this into perspective, if all those 1,000 customers just needed 1-minute videos for $80, we could see that this gig has already generated a little over $80,000. Not to mention, when you have big-name clients like these that usually ask for bigger projects, it's likely that these sellers are making a lot more money than that. Now, if you even want to take it up a notch, you can also look up animated video. You'll see that there are quite a few video animation services available here as well, and they are making serious money with this. Take a look at this one. I will create animated explainer video in English or German. This person is a top-rated seller with over 700 happy customers. This gig offers the services of animated videos for $100 per 30 seconds. So if a client wants a 5-minute video, that's already $1,000. If each of the 700 customers only needed a 30-second video for $100, this person would have already generated at least $70,000 from this gig. If you don't want to sell your videos, you can even make money with TikTok by utilizing these tools to create short videos that promote affiliate products. For example, this TikTok account earns thousands of dollars each month from doing just that. The creators simply make short, motivational videos to generate traffic to their Linktree account. When you do this process in bulk, you could see a drastic increase in traffic to your affiliate offers, which means more money in your pocket. So you see, it's definitely possible to make a substantial amount of money online with video editing, and the right AI-based tools can greatly help your process. And if you want to make money like these people, then make sure to stick around until the end, and we'll talk about 6 of the best AI video bots that you can use to make over $6,000 monthly. With that said, let's dive in and see what these bots have to offer. The first bot you can use to make money online is called InVideo. With this free online video editing software, you can create high-quality videos even if you don't have any previous experience. With InVideo, you can create engaging video intros, outros, and add music and effects to make your videos pop. As you can see here, unlock the power of video. With InVideo, everyone can create great-looking pro videos that engage better, deliver more leads, and save time. Our library of 5,000 plus templates, transitions, and effects is here to help you create videos easily, quickly, and efficiently. No download required. On top of that, by clicking on this button right here, you can get started for free. You don't need a credit card to sign up. Once you're done creating your video, you can export it in full HD quality or even 4K quality if you want. Now you can use that to create ad videos, product review videos, or even just general informational videos. And if you want to make even more money off of these videos, you can pair them with the AI voices we talked about in our previous video, which you can upload to YouTube, or sell as a service to businesses. Another free online video editing software that you can use is Wave.video. It's very similar to InVideo, except it has a few more features, and it's slightly more user-friendly. In addition to that, they also have a library containing millions of royalty-free videos and photos that you can use in your projects. So if you're looking for visuals to enhance your videos, look no further than Wave.video. This website is also equipped with video marketing tools to make it easy for you to create and share videos on social media. This is really useful because it allows you to quickly create videos that are optimized for each social media platform, which can help you get more views, engagement, and even click-throughs to your website or landing pages. With that said, if you want to create even better looking videos without any experience, then be sure to check out Wave.video as well. Now, if you're looking for a tool that does more than just edit videos, then Descript is the right choice for you. Descript is an audio and video editing software that allows you to edit your videos and podcasts with key features like overdubbing, filler word removal, and subtitles. As you can see, it is trusted by several top brands like Stanford, Audible, WNYC, Vice, the New York Times, and a lot more. So, you are sure to be getting the highest quality of features and customer support when you use Descript. Just click on this button right here to get started for free. But if you feel like Descript is the platform for you, then you can upgrade to a paid plan starting at $12 per month and is fully customizable, so the choice is totally up to you. For the next one, we have Synthesia. Synthesia.io is the world's leading video synthesis company, founded by some of the leading professors in the field. This tool is actually backed by Mark Cuban himself. With this tool, you can create a personalized video by selecting an avatar and typing in your script, all in one of 50 languages. And if you want to be even more creative, designing your own avatar or company spokesperson takes only 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see on the site, Synthesia is the #1 rated AI video creation platform. Thousands of companies use it to create videos in 65 languages, saving up to 80% of their time and budget. And we can clearly see all of the companies currently using this tool right here. Not only that, but you can read the case studies for yourself too. I just wanted to emphasize that even celebrities like David Beckham have used this tool as a spokesperson with Malaria No More for a massive campaign with over 700 million online impressions to help treat malaria, which thus prompted the highest global awareness of malaria in over 3 years and won the COG-X Outstanding Achievement in Social Good Use of AI Award. As we can see right here, Malaria No More worked with Synthesia's cutting-edge AI video synthesis technology to allow brave malaria survivors to speak through David Beckham's face in 9 different languages. This world-first campaign video allowed the voice of the most vulnerable to be highlighted to the world using one of the most well-known people in the world as their vehicle. This just goes to show that with tools like this available, you can make a real impact on the world. In all honesty, I think that this is one of the coolest AI tools out there, and I hope you take some time to experiment with it and utilize its features in different use cases. If you're more interested in creating animated videos, then these next 2 AI tools are going to be right up your alley. The first one is Didly. Didly is an easy-to-use, yet powerful animation tool that leverages smart draw technology and point and click functionality to help you create professional doodle sketch videos. As you can see, they claim that Didly is the simplest whiteboard animation software, and it is available for both Mac and PC. So no matter what type of computer you have, you can use this application to create animations. What's amazing about Didly is that there are over 1 million videos which have already been created with this AI animation software, which only goes to show that a lot of people are already using it and making money out of it. When you scroll down a bit, you'll see Create Unlimited Whiteboard Videos. Plus, you'll also be able to create blackboard, glassboard, and even green screen animations. Just select a doodle image, click and drag it to the canvas, and Didly will automatically draw the image for you. And that's it. It couldn't be any easier. Sounds amazing, right? With this tool, you can make money by creating animated videos and ads for businesses. You can also create instructional videos to help people learn something, or you could even set up your own YouTube channel where you share the animations that you've created with Didly to share stories or educational content. So if you think that this could be a great way to make some extra money, then go ahead and give Didly a try. The last AI-driven tool we're going to look at to create over $6,000 a month online is Create Studio. This software helps video creators, social media marketers, and YouTubers create doodles, animations, and explainer videos. One great example is displayed right here. This looks stunning, right? That's exactly what makes this different. Create Studio has a ton of different features that can really make your videos stand out. You can add various effects and transitions, as well as music to give your video a more professional feel. In fact, with Create Studio, you can make 3D characters and backgrounds like Pixar. With these Pixar-styled animated videos, you could effortlessly create high-quality commercials and ads for businesses or YouTube content creators. And because these are 3D animations, you can charge a lot of money for your work. With this program, you can quickly and easily make stunning videos with its intuitive editor, smart components, compositions, characters, keyframes, global libraries, and integrations. Keep in mind that many of these features are pretty much automated, so you really don't need to start from scratch, making this perfect for beginners. With that said, if you're looking for a great way to make money creating videos, then give Create Studio a try.